In this video, I'll walk you through how to add and install extensions in Google Chrome, step by step. There are many different types of Chrome extensions available, each designed to add new features or improve your browsing experience. You might already have one in mind, or you can simply explore and see what's available. To get started, open Chrome and go to the top right corner. Click on the three dots menu, then hover over Extensions and select Visit Chrome Web Store. From there, you can browse through different categories or use the search bar at the top to find a specific extension. For example, you might search for something like a volume booster. Once you find an extension you want, click on it, then press Add to Chrome. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to install it. After it's installed, you'll see a notification confirming it's been added. You can access your extensions by clicking the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner. From there, you can open and start using any extension you've installed. If you want to manage your extensions, click on the puzzle icon again and select Manage Extensions. This allows you to enable, disable, or remove extensions as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to install and manage Chrome extensions quickly and easily. Feel free to explore and customize Chrome to fit your needs.